Hi there, I am Terrier Darts, and today I'm going to show you how to use streamer.bot and their amazing group feature to create a really cool little effect on your stream to add a little bit more dynamic to it. It's going to be using channel point redeem and sound effects. I will be using one, but the theory will be there for you. So I'm going to talk you through what I did. So let's get into it. The first thing we do is go to streamer.bot, and under the settings tab, there is a groups tab. So in this, I'm going to add a group, and we're going to call it Sound Pack 1. So I'm going to call it Sound Pack 1. Add. And it's there. Added there, it's a normal group. Then we're going to go over to channel points, rewards, and a command. I'm going to call it Buy Sound Pack 1. So you could put whatever you want in there, say buy access to 5 sound effects. And we can make it whatever you want. So let's for this make it 250. And we'll press OK for now. So there it is. Next thing we do, we're going to create the action. So we can go in here, and you can see I have a lot of actions. And what we're going to do is creating the group called Sound Pack, just so you can see it. And it's going to be called Buy Pack 1, this action. So once it, there it is. So what you'll do, you'll have this. You can edit this now, just to save some time. And this you can go to Buy Pack 1. Not Bad Bijou. Buy Pack 1. Buy Pack 1. So you'll see in our OBS we'll have a command there, reward, and it'll be called Buy Pack 1. We're going over here. First thing we need to do is get user info from where we've redeemed it, just like that. The next thing we're going to do is get a bit of C#. And now this is when it gets a little more complicated. So I've already wrote it. So I'm just gonna. So this is the code. So obviously using system, public line, you know, there's a variable name, username. So this pulls the person's Twitch name as it is their username, not display name, their username, and it adds them into a group. Now this bit here, which will be blank for you, here is enter name of group as written in SB. So we're going to press save and compile here just for now, and we'll go back over to settings and group, and it's Sound Pack 1, all one word, capital S, capital P. Actually, can I change that? No, it should be fine actually. So right, so then what we're doing here is saying if this username, here, so variable name is in the group, then it's going to refund you. So this is where we need to get this code, which is copy and paste ID. This is why you need to create the redeem in streamer.bot, because it'll get this redeem for you. So we're going to again press save and compile. and we're going to go here and we're going to press copy ID. This copy reward ID. Do that. Actions. Press OK. Do this, and we're just going to paste it in there. Then it's going to do the redemption, and it's going to do this. So this is going to pull the true and give you a refund, and it's going to return true. Next is do again here. You want to put in how it is written. Back one. If you're not in there, it'll add you to the group. We'll add your username to the group. And it'll do spot one. So this is the same as this. Copy, control and paste. And if it's done right, it should compile. The next thing we're going to do is create a sound effect. So what we'll do is add, and then whatever sound effect you call it sound pack 1 and clapper. So now you want to do the same again. You want to get the user info, and then you're going to add a bit of C#. Again, the C# is the same stuff. So again, I'm going to block the bits that I can. But what this does, it's just a command, so it doesn't need the refund stuff or all like that. But what this just does, variable name, username again, because that's how you've written it into the group. It says if the user is in the group, then this is something I added. Don't really need it, but it pulls the username. So like my name's case sensitive. This will do a case sensitive thing, but then this is the file that I'm going to play. It's going to play that sound. File name there, so play sound file name, which is this, which is file path. You see there, file path. And then it should do send message in chat name 2, which is this. You have redeemed clapper from sound pack 1. Now, if that person's not in sound pack thingy, it's going to say that you're not in sound pack 1. So this should compile. And it expects a thingy. Where does it expect a thingy? Did I not do an extra thingy? I did not do an extra curly bracket. My bad. Compile. Save and compile. And then what you can do is go to commands. Now you don't really need to do that if you just did this, right? You could do this, action, clapper. You could have it do that and then just move it over there. That means you'd have to be on that list to do it. But we're going to leave it like this because we want it to respond and say you are not in the group. And press OK. So that's all the commands done. Now, as a broadcaster, I can't test this. So we're going to quickly load up a second account. So we are back. We have got our second account here. So first thing we're going to check is, can we do clapper? Do clapper. It should say you have not bought sound pack 1. Okay. Remember, I'm on 222 here. So let's buy sound pack 1. Right. Okay, now it's told me I have bought sound pack 1. So let's buy sound pack 1 again. You're ordering group, and you see I've gone back up to 1.9. Do that again. If that
clap on, clap off, clap on, clap
Now, I'm not sure how loud that was, but that is the way it works. Now, you can use this code in other things, and that is how you can make most of the groups. You could do this and have 4 or 5 different sound packs, you know, ranging from whatever price you wanted to whatever price you wanted to. So that is how we would do a nice action in using C#, the groups, and sound effects to create some more involvement with the chat. Again, if you have any questions, you can join the streamer.bot Discord, link will be below. If you've got any questions and I'm live, you can find me on Twitch at twitch.tv/TerryDarts. And I'll put the import code below as well. And that'll be it for today's video. Obviously, if you've got any comments as well, put in the comments. I'll answer questions there. And that is what I did today. So I'll see you next time for another streamer.bot video.